In a global real estate market, few assets manage to achieve a perfect equilibrium between historical heritage, professional-grade athletic infrastructure, and high-end residential luxury. Montecapra Estate is one of those rare exceptions. Situated in the heart of the Marche region, in an area identified by experts as a premier global destination for retirement and investment, this century-old estate represents a synthesis of Italian craftsmanship and world-class equestrian engineering. This is not merely a villa, it is a 25-hectare private ecosystem designed for exclusivity, privacy, and the pursuit of equestrian excellence. Location is the primary driver of long-term value. Montecapra rests upon a hilltop with unobstructed 360-degree panoramic views overlooking the historic town of Fermo and the rolling Marche countryside. This region, often cited as the New Tuscany, offers a strategic advantage. It combines secluded privacy with immediate accessibility. The estate is located within 15 minutes drive of hand sandy beaches, yacht marinas, and prestigious clay tennis courts. This is a location that offers total silence and security without sacrificing the logistical requirements of a modern international lifestyle. The core of the 25-hectare estate is its best-in-class equestrian facility, engineered to host world-class riders and high-performance warm bloods. The infrastructure is defined by technical precision. It features multiple quartz sand arenas, including 30 per 60 meters outdoor arena and 25 per 50 meter indoor arena, ensuring year-round training capabilities regardless of weather condition. The facility is completed by 20-meter longing pen and professional 1.2-kilometer cross-country course. To support the equestrian lifestyle, the estate includes 2 dedicated farmhouses accommodations. These high-standard living quarters are specifically designed for visiting riders and clinicians, ensuring that the athletic and residential components of the property remain integrated yet distinct. These residences offer high standards of hospitality and privacy, allowing for seamless transition from professional training in flat work or jumping to sophisticated relaxation. Slightly removed from the equestrian hub to ensure absolute tranquility is the Master Villa. The exterior is a masterclass of landscape architecture featuring an 8,000 square meter manicured garden. The centerpiece is the 12 per 6 meters infinity pool, characterized by a 12 side deck and depth of 1.4 meters, accompanied by the professional-grade jacuzzi and an elegant sun deck. Moving inside, the villa offers 230 square meters of primary living space in duplex configuration, complemented by 2 additional independent en-suite bedrooms. The technical layout is designed to flexibility. The lower floor houses a foyer with a garden's views, a dining area, and a fully equipped chef's kitchen. The upper floor transitions into a private sanctuary with a lounge featuring traditional fireplace and the 2 balconies that frame the panoramic views of the olive trees and the vineyards. Every room is oversized, featuring walk-in closets, integrated smart technology, and climate control, ensuring the historical exterior is matched by contemporary internal performance. Montecapra is defined by its comprehensive service layer. The estate functions with the efficiency of the boutique resort. Wellness is integrated into every facet, from the outdoor jacuzzi to the quietude of the 25 hectares of private land. The technological infrastructure is robust, featuring a Sonos sound system, Apple TV integration, and high-speed Wi-Fi coverage extending across both indoor and outdoor facilities. Hospitality is managed with high standards of quality, focusing on a one guest party at a time policy to guarantee total privacy. Whether it is the professional stable grooms preparing horses for cluster or secure, gated parking facilities, the property is optimized for a life without background noise, where security and well-being are the default settings. Montecapra is more than a residence, it is a diversified land asset. The property includes active vineyards and olive groves, alongside an equestrian brand with a globally oriented multilingual team. In a market where the Made in Italy remains the ultimate global gold standard, this estate offers a turnkey solution for an investor seeking a legacy property. It is an asset that combines agricultural production, professional sports infrastructure, and ultra-luxury real estate in one of Europe's most stable and oceanic regions. Montecapra Estate represents the pinnacle of the infinity discovery promised by this region. It is a place where millenary history meets the precision of the modern equestrian sport. For the discerning buyer, this is not just a purchase, it is the acquisition of the lifestyle that is increasingly rare, one of the total space, absolute silence, and uncompromising quality. This is Montecapra. The journey begins here.